You are already familiar with the sector and the segment of a circle. What is sector? Sector is the area enclosed between the two radii and the corresponding arc is known as the sector. So this is your sector AOB. Since this sector is छोटा sector, बहुत बड़ा sector नहीं है. This sector is बड़ा sector, so this is known as minor sector. And this is known as your major sector. And this angle AOB is the sector angle. Say it is denoted by the letter theta. So angle AOB is theta and AOB is minor sector, and BOA, if I am going to take this, BOA will become your major sector. What do you mean by segment? Segment is the area enclosed by any chord and the corresponding arc is known as the segment. So this is your APB. This chord AB and the corresponding arc makes the segment. So this is your minor segment, and if I am going to write down Q here, this AQB in this portion is known as your major segment. If I am talking about, you have to find out the area of a segment until it is not stated that you have to find out the major segment or major sector. So it is understood that we are talking about minor segment and minor sector. If theta is the central angle of this sector, then the area of the sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. And for this, if you have to find out the length of the arc, it will be theta. This central angle is also theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Because for length of the arc, it is the part of the circumference, and the part of the circumference is 2 pi r. So theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. And if it is asked to you that what is the area of this segment, आपको इस segment का निकालना है, इस segment का तो आप कैसे निकालोगे? इस sector में से पूरा का पूरा sector है, because it is the area between the two radii. इस sector में से, और ये क्या है? Triangle है. अगर आप triangle minus कर दो तो you will be able to get the area of the segment. So area of sector AOB, यहाँ पे पॉइंट AOB ले लो, माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल AOB. Remember that if your center angle is more than 90 degree, that has been deleted. If it is 120 degree, because in example it is one question given to you with 120 degree, so it is clearly mentioned that with angle 100, central angle 120, to find out the area of the segment with 120 has been deleted. Not the sector, but the segment has been deleted. So let's do, you must have understood these formulas. You have to learn these also. Let's do the first example given in the book. Example says find the area of sector of a circle with radius 4 cm and the angle is 30 degree. Also find the area of the corresponding major sector. So area of the sector, as you know, we have already learned the formula. It is theta upon 360 into pi r square. And it is 30 upon 360, and you have to take pi as 3.14 into 4 into 4. This is 0 से 0 cancel. This is 3, 12. This is 4, 3s are 3.14 into 4. When you are going to multiply, this is 12.56 divided by 3. This is equal to 4.18 centimeter square approximately. So this is the area of your minor sector. And if you have to find out the area of the major sector, so there are two methods of doing this question. The first one is, if this angle is 30 degrees, so rest of the angle is going to be 360 minus 30, that is equal to 330 degree upon 360 into pi r square. This is 330 upon 360 into pi is 3.14 and r is equal to 4 into 4. 0 to 0 cancel. This is 11 3s are. This is 12. This is 4 3s are. When you are going to multiply and when you are going to divide it, you will be getting 46.05 centimeter square or 46.1 centimeter square. This is one of the method. Or the second method is, you can do area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector. अगर आप टोटल सर्कल में से अगर ये माइनर सेक्टर माइनस कर दो, हमने माइनर सेक्टर क्या निकाला था 4.18, तो आप पहले पूरा एरिया ऑफ सर्कल निकालो और उसमें से फिर 4.18 माइनस कर दो. यू विल बी एबल टू गेट दिस इज पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस 4.18. पाई कितना था 3.14 into 4 into 4 minus 4.18. When you are going to solve this, again you will be getting this 46.1 centimeter square. Don't forget to write down answers in the box. Example 3 says find the area of the segment AYB shown in the figure if the radius is given to 21 centimeter and angle AOB is equal to 120 degree. Since the center angle is 120 degrees given to you, this has been deleted from your syllabus. With center angle 120 degrees deleted, so we are not going to do this example. Let's start the exercise. We are going to start from question number 2. Question number 1 is very easy. Question number 2 says that find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is given to 22 centimeter. What do you mean by quadrant? Quadrant means it is 1/4 of a circle. For 1/4 of a circle, since angle is 360 of a circle, 1/4 means it will be 90 degree. So your center angle is already with you, it is 90 degree. But the question is radius is not with you because the formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. R is not with us, but the circumference is given to you 22 centimeter. So we know the formula of the circumference, that is 2 pi r is equal to 22. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. 22 से 22 cancel. R will become 7 will go there. 7 by 2. Now the area of the quadrant is theta upon 360 into pi r square. यानी कि 90 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 94 सा, this is 2 11 सा, तो 11 into 7 into 7 divided by 8, that is 7 से 7 cancel हो गया. 11 into 7 divided by 8, that means 77 by 8 centimeter square. Let's do question number 3, which is very important. So many times this question has come in the board exam. The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. अब जो minute hand है, that will be considered as its radius. अब 5 मिनट में वो कहीं ना नेचुरली वो आगे तो जा ही रही है. The question is वो कितने डिग्री पर जा रही है, वो कौन सा एंगल बना रही है. पहले वो यहाँ पर है, 5 मिनट में वो यहाँ पहुंच गई, तो उसका सेंट्रल एंगल कितना है पहले वो हम निकालेंगे. इन 60 मिनट, पूरे 60 मिनट में पूरी की पूरी क्लॉक जो मिनट है वो पूरा का पूरा एक राउंड काटती है. तो यानी कि वो जो सेंट्रल एंगल है वो उसका कितना है 360 डिग्री, बिकॉज सर्कल का सेंट्रल एंगल क्या 360 डिग्री, पूरा सर्कल है. 1 मिनट में वो कितनी डिग्री बनाएंगे 360 अपॉन 60, और 5 मिनट्स में मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 मिनट की मेथड से कर रहे हैं. मिनट से मिनट कैंसिल, 66 यानी कि 30 डिग्री वो 5 मिनट में बनाएगी. 1 मिनट में कितनी डिग्री बना रही है 6 डिग्री. इसको याद रखिएगा, अगर आप भूल जाते हैं तो यूनिटरी मेथड आपके पास हमेशा है, आप यूनिटरी मेथड से निकाल सकते हैं. दैट इज 30 डिग्री. अब वो कितना एरिया स्वेप्ट बाय द मिनट है, आपको ये वाला एरिया निकालना है. सो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, ये सेक्टर ही है, पहले ये 14 सेंटीमीटर है, ये भी 14 सेंटीमीटर है, क्योंकि यहाँ से यहाँ पे पहुंच गई मिनट हैंड की लेंथ तो नहीं बदल जाएगी, तो 14 सेंटीमीटर रहेगी. तो थीटा अपॉन 360 into pi r square, थीटा अपॉन 360 pi 22 by 7 into 14 into 14, 0 से 0 cancel, 3 12s are. Now this is 2 11s are, 2 6s are, 7 2s are, 2 3s are. 11 into 14 divided by 3, यानी कि 154 by 3 centimeter square is the area swept by the minute hand whose radius is given to you 14 centimeter in 5 minutes. I hope. Let's do question number 6, which has a very big calculations and very lengthy question. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends angle 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and the major segment. अब एक कोड है जिसका रेडियस 15 सेंटीमीटर है, सर्कल का कोड है, उस सर्कल का रेडियस 15 सेंटीमीटर है. आपको एरिया निकालना है माइनर सेगमेंट और मेजर सेगमेंट. ये आपका माइनर सेगमेंट हो गया एबीपी और मेजर सेगमेंट हो गया आपका एक्यूबी. अब आपको मैंने बताया था कि एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट इज एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर. ये पूरा का पूरे सेक्टर में से अगर आप एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल माइनस कर दें तो यू विल बी एबल टू गेट द एरिया ऑफ द सेगमेंट. Since the angle is 60 degree, ये सेंट्रल एंगल 60 डिग्री है और OA is equal to OB because they are the radii only. So these two angles are equal. तो angle 1 plus angle 2 should be equal to 120 degree because of the angle sum property of a triangle. और ये 120 है, OA और OB इक्वल है, यानी कि angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 only, while the sum 120 degree है, यानी कि twice of angle 1 will be 120 degree, each angle is going to be 60 degree. तो यानी कि this will be your equilateral triangle. आप सिंपल लिख सकते हो since center angle is 60 degree, so triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. ठीक है? Now area of this sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of equilateral triangle. यहाँ पे equilateral triangle लिखना मत भूलिए. Now आपको वैल्यू ऑफ पाई दे रखे 3.14 और रूट 3 दे रखा है आपको 1.73. थीटा अपॉन 360 60 अपॉन 360 into 3.14 into 15 into 15 माइनस रूट 3/4. ए क्या है आपकी साइड कितनी है आपकी 15 ही है, तो 15 into 15 66 जा, this is 3 5 जा, 3 2 जा, 2 2 1 जा, 2 5 जा, 2 7 जा. Now 1.57 into 75 is going to be 117.75 minus root 3 की वैल्यू 1.73. This is 15 into 15 is equal to 225 divided by 4. When you are going to solve it, please do it your own. Don't use the calculators, because if you will be using the calculators here, you won't be able to solve it correctly in your exams, because calculators are not allowed there. So do the calculations your own, it will speed up your calculations. Now this is 117.75 minus 97.3125. This is 20.437. You round off up to decimal places because this is more than 5. One ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो 20.44 is the value for the Mazur's area of the minor segment. Major segment कैसे निकालेंगे? Total circle में से अगर आप ये माइनस कर दो तो you will be able to get the area of the major segment. Major segment का नाम है AQB. तो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस 20.44 3.14 into 15 into 15 minus 20.44. और when we are going to solve it, it is 706.5 minus 20.44. Solve it, you are going to get 686.06 centimeter square. Don't forget to write down approximately. Approximately मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ? बाय चांस यहाँ पे आपका आंसर आ गया 0.5 आ गया 0.4 हो गया, तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली से वो ढक जाएगा कि छोटी सी माइनर मिस्टेक है, तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली लिख दिया, तो यानी कि आपका आंसर करेक्ट हो गया. लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. दिस क्वेश्चन सेज a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of size 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. अब अगर यहाँ पर horse बंधा हुआ है 5 मीटर रोप से, तो यहाँ पे ये आपको स्क्वायर दे रखा है 15 मीटर और ये आपको 15 मीटर दे रखा है. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द फील्ड इन विच द हॉर्स कैन ग्रेज. अब ये 5 मीटर में बंधा हुआ है, मैक्सिमम ये 5 मीटर यहाँ पे जाएगा, यहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ जाएगा. ये मेरा हॉर्स देख लीजिए, प्लीज हंसना मत, माय ड्राइव इज पुअर. ये 5 मीटर, ये 5 मीटर और ये. अब ये क्या बन गया आपका क्वाड्रेंट बन गया जिसका रेडियस कितना है 5 मीटर. ज्यादा से ज्यादा हॉर्स यहीं तक जा सकता है, इसके आगे नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि रोप की लेंथ ही 5 मीटर दे रखा है. तो दैट मीन दिस इज ए क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ रेडियस 5 मीटर जिसका सेंटर एंगल कितना होगा 90 डिग्री, क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर में नीचे एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. तो कह रहा है कि व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ फील्ड इन व्हिच इट कैन ग्रेज. तो यानी कि हमें निकालना पड़ेगा 90/360 into pi r square where r is equal to 5 meter. Don't forget to take pi as 3.14. Second part भी कह रहा है increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. अब अगर 10 मीटर रोप यहाँ तक आ जाए, यहाँ तक आ जाए, तो कहता है कितना एरिया वो उसका इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. यानी कि हमें ये वाला एरिया निकालना है, ये वाला एरिया कितना ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. पहले ये वाला निकालते हैं कि जो 5 मीटर था, एरिया ऑफ द फील्ड व्हेन द रेडियस वाज 5 मीटर, तो थीटा अपॉन 360 into pi r square 90/360 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. Remember that if the value of pi is given to you and you are using it 22/7, आपने क्वेश्चन भी ढंग से नहीं किया तो बोर्ड कहता है कि नंबर तो डिडक्ट होंगे ही होंगे. इट डिपेंड्स कि वो हाफ नंबर डिडक्ट करेगा या 1 नंबर डिडक्ट होगा, बट डेफिनेटली नंबर्स आर गोइंग टू डिडक्ट बिकॉज आपने क्वेश्चन अच्छे से रीड नहीं किया, बिकॉज वैल्यू ऑफ पाई वाज गिवन टू यू 94 सा. So when you are going to solve this 3.14 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 19.625 meter square. Now new area with the radius 10 meter. अगर 10 meter दे रखा है तब new area क्या होगा? This is 90/360 into 3. 3.14 into 10 into 10, 90 4s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 5s are. This is equal to 78.5 meter square. So increase in the area. This area, ये area बड़ा था, this area minus this area. 78.5 में से 90.625 meter square अगर आप minus कर रहे हो तो you are getting this 58.875 meter square. Question number 9 says a brooch is made with the silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. So this diameter is given to 35 millimeter. The wire is used in 5 diameters which divide the circle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and similarly 5 here. Find the total length of wire. Brooch is generally used by the men and the women, men in their coats and the women in their saris to tie the plates. So you have to find out the total length of the wire. The total length of the wire is this total circumference and these 5 diameters. So the total circumference is 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7, r into 35 by 2 plus 5 diameters plus 5 into 35. This is 7 5s are 2 into 2 cancel. 22 5s are 110 plus 175 and 285. Second part कहता है the area of each sector of the brooch. Since it is divided into 10 parts, so your central angle is going to be 360 divided by 10 and the central angle is 36 degree. So area of the each sector is equal to 36 upon 360 into pi r square, 36 upon 360 into 22 by 7 and your radius is 35 by 2. 90% स्टूडेंट्स क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं, वो डायमीटर को रेडियस की तरह ले लेते हैं. तो आपने रेडियस लेना है 35 by 2 and 35 by 2. This is 36 10s are 7 5s are 5 2s are and 2 into 11. So 11 into 35 divided by 4, 385 by 4 millimeter square is your area. Question number 10th is also very easy. 10th क्या कह रहा है? An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the 2 consecutive ribs. अब आपको 2 consecutive ribs के बीच में area निकालना है, ये वाला area. तो ये भी एक सेक्टर की तरह बन गया. I'm just giving the hint, मैं पूरा इसको सॉल्व नहीं करूंगी क्योंकि ये it is divided into 8 ribs. तो the each central angle is going to be 360 divided by 8 is equal to 45 degree. ये central angle हो गया आपका. So area of the sector is equal to your central angle 45 divided by 360 into pi r square, where r is time 45 into 45. So you can do your calculations your own. Let's do question number 13, which is very important question. A round table cover has 6 equal designs. If the radius is given to 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. It is given to you that you have to use the value of root 3 as 1.7. Now since it has 6 designs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is a hexagon, and when I am going to join this, you would be getting 6 sectors. So let us find out what is the central angle. Central angle is going to be, since 360 is divided into 6 sectors. So 360 divided by 6, your central angle is 60 degree. So this is your 60 degree. When this is your 60 degree, then in the previous questions when I explained you, triangle AOB will be your equilateral triangle. So this is the segment. So this segment, this shaded portion is the segment. You have to find out the area of the segment. So area of the sector minus area of the triangle will be your one design. So 360, 6 theta upon 360 into pi r square is the area of the sector minus area of equilateral triangle. You have to mention it that since the center angle is 60 degree, so it is your equilateral triangle. So this is root 3 by 4 a square. 60 upon 360, pi is equal to 22 by 7, r is equal to 28 into 28 minus root 3 by 4 into 28 into 28. 66 is the 2 3s are 7 4s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 22 into 2 into 28 divided by 3 will be 1232 divided by 3 minus 4 7s are, and root 3 is equal to 1.7 into 7 into 28. This is 1232 divided by 3 into 333.2. This will be equal to 77.46 centimeters square. So this is the area of the one design. आपको 6 डिजाइन का निकालना है, तो एरिया ऑफ 6 डिजाइन इज इक्वल टू 6 into 77 into 46 centimeter square, and the total cost of the designing is equal to, that is rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. तो multiplied 0.35, big calculations आपको करनी पड़ेगी, that will come to rupees 160.68. That's all about from exercise 12.2. The questions which I didn't discuss, they are very easy, so you can do your home.